Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Shiksha. Aji a video to লৈ আহিছে important Assam GK which is very important for our upcoming government competitive exams. Video to লৈ আহিছে 15টা questions আৰু সকলোখিনি questions MCQ টাইপতে আছে. Let's start. Question number 1. The autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi, My Experiment with Truth, has been translated in Assamese by which of the following? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number A, Omyo Kumar Das. Omyo Kumar Dase My Experiment with Truth autobiography খন অসমীয়ালৈ translate কৰিছিল। Question number 2. Under the rural development sector, which of the following schemes programs has been introduced in Assam? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number D, all of the above. তলত দিয়া অপশ্যনসমূহৰ ভিতৰত গোটেইকেইটা অপশ্যনে শুদ্ধ হয়। Self employment program, wage employment program, social welfare scheme এই সকলোখিনি স্কিম আৰু program introduce কৰিছে অসম চৰকাৰে। Next question is Paleontology is the study of, among the given options, the correct answer is option number B, fossils. Paleontology is the study of fossils. Next question is, who from the following compiled the second dictionary of Assamese language? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number B, Hemchandra Borua. Our head dictionary khonor naam hoise Hemco. Published hoisil 1900. First dictionary khon published hoisil in the year 1867 by Miles Bronsone likhisil. Next question is, which University of Assam has the first community radio service of the entire Northeast? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number B, Krishnakanta Handike State Open University. Next question is, what is the first satellite channel of Northeast India? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number D, Focus NE, formerly known as NE TV, Northeast Television. Next question is, Hagor Dekhisa, a widely read Assamese poetry book, was authored by whom? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number B, Devakanta Borua. Devakanta Borua Deve poetry kitab Hagor Dekhisa khon likhisil. Next question is, Assam Valley Literary Award is sponsored by which of the following organization? Among the given options, option number C is the correct answer. Williamson Maker Education Trust Organization Assam Valley Literary Award to sponsored kore. Next question is question number 9. The Assam government has signed Memorandum of Understanding with which company for a pilot project of app-based river taxi services in Guwahati? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number A, Ola. Next question is, for which film did Dr. Bhupen Hazarika win the Best Music Director Award? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number B, Samili Mimsab. Next question is, where was the first B2B meeting of Global Conference on Traditional Medicine under SEO held? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number B, Guwahati, Assam. B2B stands for business to business and SEO stands for Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Next question is, which medical college was formerly known as Barry White Medical School? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number B, Assam Medical College and Hospital. Aru etu ekhon ase Dibrugarhot. Next question is, Pavitra Margarita, the current Rajya Sabha member from Assam, was the founder chief editor of which magazine? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number B, Maya. Aru teo editor asil 1998 or পৰা 2002 loike. Next question is, which past governor of Assam held its titles such as Khan Sahab, Khan Bahadur and knighthood? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number B, Syed Faisal Ali. And today's last question is question number 15. A famous musical instrument of Assam, Gogona, is made of which material? Among the given options, the correct answer is option number C, bamboo. Gogona বহুত familiar হয় নে যিসকলে বিহু নাচে তেওঁলোকে ভালকৈ জানে গগনাৰ বিষয়ে okay that's all for today thanks for watching the video if you are new to my channel then please like share and subscribe to my channel